cabinet. Out of here! Welcome back to day whatever it is here at Forest Bend.
I thought we weren't doing that.
Well, here we go. So we're going to take out some brick that's behind us. It is down below the area that is where you might sit or place stockings, presents at Christmas time, things like that. We're going to bust out some of the brick and then also take out some cabinets and that kind of thing in the what is now the laundry room, which in the future will most likely be a bathroom. So that's the plan for today. Are you excited?
I'm excited. And also I'm excited that Patrick and Alyssa are gonna stop by and we're gonna go over some samples of paint and flooring and try to make some design choices. Not that I don't love demo, but I'm excited to put it back together.
Yes. Hopefully demo will be done soon. I think we have said that a couple times already. I think we're getting close though. This brick, a couple cabinets, we should be done soon. Let's get started. Wouldn't want you to miss out on some full swings here. So, video mode. Take that, Jim.
Did it crumble immediately?
Look at this.
Oh my God. Formica at its finest.
Oh.
Is it regular video or time lapse?
Yeah, video.
You watch the light.
Yeah.
You need goggles.
This bad boy. Chigong. I guess if it's a boy, he gone, but you know, whatever. Whatever. Pronouns. Because this part is so much fun, please join me. Let me make sure there's nothing in here first. Dead animals and the like. Here we go. Well, that was close. That's fun. Okay, so time for this closet to come out. We're doing the this part of the closet here. We're gonna leave this side intact. This requires a little more precision than the sledgehammer. The sledgehammer's pretty fun. Ah! Dude! So here we go. Okay, new room, same idea. See if we can get some lights going on up in this piece. No, we can't. Nope. All right, but same scenario. This part of the closet.
Well, just glad that the previous owners left us this to partake in and learn about our great state.
Colorado? Cannabis? Cannabis? Colorado? Holy cow. So are we done with demo?
Yeah, I feel like we are, I think we are there because everything else that we want to remove-ish is just to get out of the way so we can do floors and we'll go back. So
Yeah.
I think we're done putting things in the dumpster. It feels like that's a thing.
Yeah, we got rid of this brick.
Got a little
What is that called?
seat.
Brick seat. Yeah, we got rid of that. Couple closets in the regular
Yep.
bedrooms.
And
then-
that looks great because it adds just space in
Yeah.
the bedrooms that are already big but don't need a double closet.
It smelled really good here today. For lots of
We
reasons.
really need to get a functioning toilet.
A toilet, yeah. Yeah. But again, another awesome day. The weather's getting better. It's
Yeah.
nice and cool. All the doors are open right now.
Yeah,
It's
feels
really
great.
been great.
And the heater's on.
So, yeah. One more successful day at Forest Bend.
Yeah.
We'll see you again soon.